State exams, always a scary idea, but I'm going to start breaking down these questions, and this is obviously either a review or a preview, depending when you're watching this video. This first question is courtesy of Engage New York, and it's on standard 4.NF1. It revolves around fractions. The question states, which model is shaded to represent a fraction equivalent to 1/2? The key here is this 1/2 in the question and the word equivalent. So if you look at the first couple of choices, A, B, C, and D, all the fractions are there. Remembering, a fraction is a part of a whole. So the gray section represents your part, and the total sections represents your whole. So A is represented by 1/4 or 1/4. B is 2/4, 2 gray parts to 4 total parts. And C is 2/3. And D is 2/6. Now the question goes back to which fraction is equivalent to 1/2. Equivalent fractions can be found two ways. You can either multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Now none of those answers we have currently is 1/2. But if you do divide 2 by 2 and 4 by 2, choice B is equivalent to 1/2. Additionally, there is ways to work on these visually. So if you look at the choices A and B, you can actually break these up into sections of 2 as well. And here, if you look at B, one section is full of the 2 sections. Now, C gets eliminated almost right away because being there are thirds, you can't have 1/2 of 3. And then looking at D, in order to have 1/2 on D, you would need to have these broken up like so into 2 different sections, and there are only 2 sections full. So your correct answer is B for this problem. Equivalent fractions, once again, are multiply or divide numerator and denominator by the same number. It's also simplifying. And remembering 1/2 is a fraction in its simplest form, which is something I'm sure we'll get into further as we look through these review questions. I hope this helps. Take care. Enjoy your day.